we are the Shemaima, ye better eradia say if you say, oh, yeah, and I don't ye ever hold that. Yes, for me, and you so amen and amen and amen. Na ye nana say, but I want to say, so I am right now to Adom TV home. Now, Obabesha Odo Ahomaso, because nim education ebe mao, information ebe mao, and after education, any empowerment here, ye didn't ebe mamo, medamasi edamasi san damasi bium. Ane ekran form reneduo every month of June bia no edu June bosumu mu a na wose ekrani oba bema won say mumre no enche na edru ane ototo bonso to kwa funya me ya dum a 17th of June okrani bema wo ba odofo Sunday ni de Emma obi embuku na emo ye nyina ekwa akohia wo trade fair pavilion B eye free na yasan gie ni yasan hie hu kran yasan de abusua kese no asan bom Ototo bonsi atu kwa afunya miya ya dumo enne enyame nkwa ena mwo studio ne mom metu ohine hima papa bi ubata madia no ye fantefo hine ankasa nana ye mo akwa ba oh ya oba na mpe nana wanu so so untuma na ejejao odishia papa bi na ye da asem akwaba ye da asem akwaba enu echi no yanka se enua ba me so e busy say enso no me ka ye nua ba na ba ma nua ba yanka se ye nua ba ma yeah honorable ana one and only oba television is say na ba bi agina e deja every say o kind of said he so kano Honorable.
Zimbi the mama.
Honorable.
Zimbi the mama.
What it says is, I bet take it 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, MC, you know, it will happen. Yes. Hi, sweetie. That's the saying. Odo Fatum. That's wonderful and great. Adeshimaima. Mama ninye na musu ninje. But yebema Captain Maswell Mahama ebusuano yako said ye tie biara mesremo mumye nyame rade na onkasa okrani ba no so ani o Auntie Barbara at your youthful age this is the time energy ne wo ho hwe wo kids and so o kasa wo yi wa no ana wo ka wasamo a enye yi jame rade no no abachichi mo re wate na no nim sa de be chema na ye okrani ba sa na tie wo ma ne bebre so wo gutre first na enwonwa momi enka na okra na nan ma ene me hene ememe wu ankasa de nyame so ase Some Mazimi Foundation by na ya boabo ekranfo ano na ya chichi omorere na ya chi baby ombetimi atu omu na asi e ma ebusua binimu a wo pa wo mo no sese o ma esi omote ase enso ebi akọ ekranfo ma na o ma age o ma wa tu na we bo kokọ se e wo se wo hwe ohu yi e wo nua ba ho e de na ni kunwu a men ko tete na wate na na hima e mo atrans biom e jama o so edi ariama amenya fa mazin fa na e fa me beta ho e mo anje ye kunafo e ma ne dan o mo properties na fa ma wo mo a ankene ye do the 9th conference
kayenu ye
na hima kase
de wo kana sa min kasa bebre na sana wodi nka kai no okunafo ba no ene ne nkofo ka radio se ye ma therapist bi enkona onko kasa nche na ene na ye akamfo no na sam ye fre ne kuna no se wo dofo bi free wo ho a na wani abo nti wo se obi ato no da no oba no bechichire no ma wani da so na do cause ene e ko abrofom therapist na ye ene na ma ni bi kwa no makọ punish okunafo no mum mendi we man tena konwa we so ma anye se ma
na okono ko chichi ne re no
chichi ne re no manye nda so se obeye okay because no ebi ato no da ene nti ukunu nwi a wonko ye obi kuna.
Oh, I see.
Enti so hwa yes ukunu nwi man ko kunafo no de na kuna gu pan no ko no chichi ne re no ka chichi na kamete se wo ene mesre nti bibia betwem akọ na aye kona woman no na nkenka ho all of a sudden yeah ho
na you buy how did it start?
I don't know where it started, but it has come to stay.
Yeah,
the body meko guaka ho man you nchuna mendi kosia, that kind of stuff. I don't know what that is the health aspect of it, because I won't come we share them we pay kwa na be share them men share them, don't do this, don't do that until the body is not moving e bia no nti na mo de be mu a e ho de menyanya nhwehwemu but kunaye e no na brofo no fa ne therapist no no aba no abechi chiwe na bibia na akoso na Ghana fo nyina ne abroche bibia da wase so wa ma kunafo ni da so se ukunu tukwana se ofiri wa brabo mu a ni da so ho biem se ono ne woba woni ni wimba no betumi aye bibi efin so adwuma bi ho ha betumi asom na ka waye tete no afekura ne se me nkoton ade na ho chiro bia na ho chiro na oto wo
bie wo nya hwe wo be kokra na je bi ma ache wo
ai untumi nko hini fie nko kanchen se ye bumi o because you kunafo ko ye ko sa aboka double
yeah
ade ya make wo ya ma ahwene amienu e dey identify say you are unclean
yeah
it is unclean ndi wa chi mfa nko ba bia but ye da wase so we break ice no
if your husband dies it is just you're unclean and we will all die anyway.
Yeah.
We will all die, whether we like it or not. One day we will leave this planet Earth.
Yeah.
But you see, we need the education to still go.
Right.
Because won't say ukunuwa. Nyame adomi kunyenwi. No wunsu say. But the ye huni the arts no. Na game no assassin.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
E man no aso na eye. Enye me man na eye.
Before a man cry na be ka kase ko chichi unua ba ne re no. I mean, na aye enibre bi, aye otan bi.
Yeah.
Well, honorable, I don't know. Doesn't mean someone mu nua no man enkasa na. Sabe. Anamoni abusua ne enkasa na.
Ma atamfo. Ode ma asemi si ofie. Na be me bi yiri enwu. Oba na wawu no nua be ma. O me di na konta na ni da. So be na konta ni na konta ide. O we ko be girl class am na konta na ka. Konta ma ko man to ye bu wan we girl live ko am na ka. What I say? But mo ba bi hu kem hwe. It's unfortunate ma wu no. Is nyame akwan nye nipa kwan. Who are we to question what God does?
Yeah.
Yes, bibi nyame se nima entimi maso.
Okay.
It is nyame se wo mu ampa. Se bibi sa questions a. Enti nyame wa hu se we beba. Nyame ohu ya officer saying ya na.
Okay.
I mean ye ni hu se kwan no.
Yeah.
One ye careful. Yes, I am national there. O baby be tefi o aka se ni yiri ni fie kra yen ware ho. No me wo fie ho. Ni wo fa bi baby emiri bi so no su koye maka ba no. Na ye be ya na betechire na ye no. But we can all see the people didn't act well. A crime against humanity, and the people must be punished. But if a quar one ye careful, near the shene ye no con. And your man at the best go. Ma, what you boy the papa? I say you say CBM. Young girl say at the age of 28 kuna it shouldn't happen again. Me say, you baby te baby, woman a chance. Aba wari enu aba akopepe enu aba ma akopepe na mu wako. Ma de bi ma na ye ma atamfo. I was doing some analysis for you. You kwa ba?
Yeah.
Man ko ato ma so aba, mu tutia. I'm telling you.
Say man ko ehia na ye tu ye so aba.
Tutia.
Ye betu etia.
You so tutia no. Oh.
Na we dey no betia ye. Abro ni mo shi. Na da be no ba ye. Na ye yo ho no fi fa na we. Obo so chere. Oh, we are ye bibi dodo.
But you see, man bit much your capabilities. You just stay bloody me and Kotuman. Sister, you want from me and Kotuman. They may be petty, but man will find a way of justifying why you better a man instead of you can cool. But in all this, I think with the kind of education somebody bad, me as man could.
Oh, mama.
I think women empowerment to talk with you and we in America.
Oh,
She started helping the girl child.
yeah.
And then be my so we'll get there. They say they will say a better.
Yo,
Far better.
Yeah, it's better.
I so crafty be me ko. The na trap ko you be so. Ko so me gonti. Ko we sare. Ukun wa na etwa sare. E se tata ko cha. Ya mo sare se se ko we.
Abai.
Na wo ku wa wi we nu mato. Apantan no wo bi ade we sawe. Near more sorry, say.
Yes, it's tradition. Now, with all due respect, yes, it's tradition. We need to review it. With all due respect. Let's review traditions now. Because they be you. And as we speak, you never know. And ne obi kunewu. Na just say I spell no already AC will feel. Eduane kwa enso be mani bi numo. Na akola ne bucket ticket na ye ma tantan de ye pushi wo mo. Yes, ebisi ne. Yes, uba no ntimi ko school biom. Ye nye ye ni wie ya. Ye de ko to mochre. Se ye nye ne mo pe bi ntina. Wo your oba na ne esia. I said go to Dovso and police station. Go and report.
No.
Nana etwemo.
Etwem. Oba we fia na we yi wa to form no adampa no so. Yes da form. No da won pass. What's your head no be nom ni tie ni me work na wo fie. O se di body a ye ni meku a ye twi no raw. Nedi.
Nutrients bia efi papa bi na efi ba.
E ko mo so the nutrients. Wo dey ekuru so many so. Ye dey be go so ni aso si nutrients. Oh, ye mi twa mo ye be ko na sa wo se kore. Na aka wani.
Ese sasa. Ye dey aka wani.
Twa ntoma sasa. Ye se sasa keko. Ye twa ntoma sasa. Na wo so ni
wani so.
Na wo so nutrients. Nutrients be ni.
Enti amamre no yeda ase se wa bie ema nani na asesa se na ya na eba court ne bebre no esu ne masa
okay
eso teba
esu ne so teba ho
eso teba
kanfo ma ne nya enedin bi
ejina yetumi ka cha wo ye ombe pufu na ma wo maka se poma asie opoma asie e wo se funu no e bushia dia
yeah
na mo so ma ye antu gate mu nti fa funu na sie no Jabai to me na sie no. Na yo mpa bi omo fa wonko. Nti ye bedro. E bedro. Ye da was nti conference now dia si ho na abaye no. Unso mo ba mo
de enya grow.
Nti unso mo ba mo ni je. Omo keka. You so happy. Ai.
Onye baby anko.
Ade obi onye anko ba se ne ku ye ne sori ya. Ona na nam je.
Ma wo ye ha me no. Egwa wo de me ha me. Ebo no nsia mpie.
Wumpie.
Okunafo no mu nam krom.
Kwafa ba.
Amabo, me sete sie no nyame adom. E ben to say Ghana Music Awards. Just say be mo adi no ho. Certain sa omani na be hu ni gafidi, gadochi. I mean it is our day. It is our day. We need to celebrate it. And until no ye go so to nsa. Say nne na afa na wa hu a. Ye nyanya ye mimi nda ebe na wotwe. 17th of June. Timi dey be na watching e mo bi understandable be ba cho eye bu be kase ko ye de kase de me kwesi ada na be jama sorry ai ka so mimi da de wo nko eye de mo kwesi ada no ba be ja omo sorry bi say mimi da de aye 17th ne de eye wo da odofo bre so we say de kwan for man no adwuma mu ye nyina mo de ba ye oba bia je say obia emra ho na be che empowerment education. Hey, na wetimi afa ho yes nyame du na da ni du a wo se what wani afra wani gusunsu mu he esi ye na afei maame ne se akoma me nua pa no nim ono ane dan no kwa na ohun ho
hu gate na ya
we hu gate na no efi otim stand dia o ade pass ano afei no awakoshe store room o se na de wo so open o yade bia bo store room no kwashe okura ye saa time yes I say ni beye na asore ya chinti ohwe yes remo ade shimaima yes remo ene minim yourself ene nyina Ghana ha all the regions amanone every country amosha ye se ne ukru eni ho a ye shewdin wate wani na ho esu ndi obesu wani na ho na ena wetimi abayi a wo de watu ho asi ho e de ma ekranfo ema nyinara se emre no so a mutimi ba wo nchen no friends ekuna yo no ye mentimi bi ye ntimi ntiso kakra because still ebi no ye no 1 year plus when 6 months ye ntiso kakra
ye timi tiso na nse aso bebre ateso ana ye fante no hwan so mateso
oh okay
kwesi ala na ye kwesi ne bape na mo aye wa mamre na ma one day Gomwa State ni na
Gomwa State okay
ebushia kakra bi na holding on to the 6 months
okay
but kwesi ala na ye fi aso bape na ye dware na mamre ne say it is cartoons all that kind of stuff you go through that process no but wo pese wo mo wo kunu no a o frantoma no so ye ne kuna wie.
Oh, okay.
And the way Odo no kuno pese o mo no for the years.
Yes.
No be hu se no penu kuno. Oh man dey so your style.
Oh, your style dey.
But dan ye tumo ye confine there.
Yeah.
Eso ate.
Eso ate.
The longer period we nya na e bia na 2 weeks.
Oh.
Eso ate. Na ningi na ye therapy now you go through.
Nana munyi momodi amesem o. Nana no muni ahema papa fo amunyi na mo hwe. Yente so na 2 weeks then mu still na ye
therapy no. Sa wodofo bi afiri won chen.
Yeah.
Nti arechichi anase ni daso ene ho ban bo no eno ni kura no.
But nipa na kwa koye sa ekura no. Woni maso baka koka.
Okwa no ejuma no nye. Nti am say we sika ka therapy mom na am say ka am say ye contract bi. Ana so mo courses bi ana ka ya ma wo. Na no na am say me nim say na ebesi aye no. But actually that is why ye kuna. Okay. Because nipa no ne kranda ekonna. Me kwada o na wakra no. Ye kwada o. Na da kro kwada ya wona won chen bi. Yes, it's hard. And as ankoye yare na anye process no one prepare ho se nipa ne beko. Na ye accidents improve mo a. Eno so nya me kra brant ya de me nya kapena me ho na asama bopiri. Nti me ho ayina na ma yi afi me fo. Me se mo bi amfa ensene me. Nti imagine say wo na wo gina ho. Me pese me de ne na be gina mo.
Because na ma me nya api we be sere. Afi WhatsApp pictures bi no. Chale mo me nyai. Ya senia. Me se mo me nyai because still hu.
Ekuma. Mami cousin bi.
Yo.
Radio presenters.
Yes.
Journalists. Yabramo. Kowem yabramo.
Oh, yeah, Pacho.
Oh, Ghana ever say our politicians, radio presenters. On Facebook, look at the way senior journalists, senior presenters are posting these things. It's bad. Senior journalists, so-called senior journalists. And yeah, they are posting and writing script I can say what say. Is it fair? Only we plan to say no that TV show now church you may. Senior journalists I say senior journalists.
Yeah,
Musaka video for me then. If you 1 minute pay. Me hu nyina adwoye. Me mpa people. Araje wu ya say. After all the trace to be we can't ever trace will not save the situation. The police is investigation. Let's leave police to do their job.
And they are good.
They are doing their job. We'll certainly see the end of that tunnel. Adashi my mama does says why am right. E program na ni but some ye ko be nyina hu hia say wose ye kan. Na say dear Mr. Ma make kakra na me twa me ho ensamra. Me da say. Adeshimai mama sama makwa babio edi aba Odo Ahomaso e wa Adom TV ane enne no ye won komo bebre bebo na ekuna ye wo hoi enye duabo ekuna ye wo hoi Nyankopon e na ahyehye enye den a be ma be we jare yiri o na Nyankopon e ni onyam no etumi adadi enti wo krani bi wo patem ho na onim sesa bia na busua bo tete no ana ohia mo a so yo krani benti na bo an wate ebi oye adwuma ndada enti ohia mo kakra no de atop no bua no na mo mema jeje ne se ansa mebo ade de me di wachi aka fom wo yesa no a na nhira bia amemo wo so why dey aje se obeso de na chi ka fom misra mo ene mo yenyi fimo yo ya hima tama ha fantifo hima ba kope
Tomade na ni do go mo de no beso bebo tomade na ni
tama se de city e hotie no na oba ye hene wo ho enye easy say osefata nkasa honorable you dare whether they like it or not
no size
chairmanship never ba
ala no size
so what's him
yeah chairmanship no na afei who headed towards MC kakra
no size no size
put it baby yeah that must say adishimai ma emra so see dey adisa kese fa bema anajo black mosquito coil 12 solid hours boko yedi nropa na aye enti fragrance ni de kama so romantic sweet papa pepe bibra enti no wonya kata wonya cold e ma oda na ho ekum tuntum ye papa enti malaria de eye away e don wase ankasa the anajo insecticide spray is so powerful all the insecticides all you need to do is just spray all leading supermarkets every shop you get it to buy na protective fee na ankasa fly away fly killers yo last week omumudwa nantwinam everyone Nankwasefo no hwe ubedi wono masoso bisi wo enti wansna has no way wo mmie nyina nkopa bi nto na be boa yankasa do mo ase so metimi aso yasene na ye di Odo Ahomaso ebrewo Thursdays and Fridays Thursdays and Fridays okay The Royals at the Global Firm. The Royals at the Global Firm are bankasa. Now Global Firm way, emaye drotata shake siya bako. Eradie, eboye pa. Eboye Global Firm, eboye ye papa. Now on him, ya the natural ingredients and aye. Artificial beer enim, okay? Now me say, intensify or pleasure. And a sensation and ya grow into ye money bina and a day mented me con nonia de onya Global Firm bi me se ka kra bina de fafa wase ho ube hu se de be ye afei ema wase ho no naturally tight. Global Firm wase ho no naturally tight afei improve your natural libido just say they make out say they naturally what kantie no improve no emane kama yenti ene ya to apete baby enu ho bia nche bedu ho ba se de wo kumase sunyane kofoidua ena nkrankro mu mie bia no ubenye bia to Global Firm ana the Royals ye the master papa se mutimi e de ebre yen eno ntine kumase upe bia to a na ma upe friend wanya Global Firm ni bi ato enie 0244 70 15 74 0244 70 1574. Kumasi na mano, another one. 0205 76 98 77. 0205 76 98 77. Sunyane fuete say, oh say ye, Global Firm no, do dada, maneke kansi akuma, sa ude untwa yantro, ni mapa, ena ode my eye, ena wasa me recommend the mamo, into sunyane form, Global Firm, mon numbers in any 0547 79 66 23 0547 79 66 23. Sunyani Wabium 0506 12 27 28 0506 12 27 28. Kofoidia flowers for small budgets to say Kofoidia Upa Global Firm wa Upa nyabi ewa na ma be friend wetimi nyabi no enie 0557 0557 70 60 92 0557 70 60 92 and I say 0549 21 24 33. Global Firm a mouth feeling young and rejuvenated a rejuvenated kama you feel young and very rejuvenated say fe ya don't want say so much to me I saw yasene ye papa hey give us heba mesha aba mini akwajibi wan kwajibi a ebe ha o enti no eye give us P capsules ne de erade a treaty sexual weakness low sperm count and infections me say give us P capsules no oh my god a treaty sexual weakness low sperm count and infections entikai say give us no eno ena ebema okay enti yegusu ena give us core capsules give us core capsules yesisi ebetimi aya adwuma na ya drive na ya ma ade so na nwumre du fie etimi ebu ye pa Intimidate no one say unya Givers Go capsules here. A bit treaty waist pains, pulse, flums, and a fake constipation. He said, would you know to me now? Nine. Yo, and to give us for more cold capsules and idea, yet the Marcia so will say chiche. And I give us herbal mixture. Give us herbal mixture in the a treaty, malaria, typhoid, and I join this. Give us herbal mixture. A bit treaty or malaria no or typhoid, and I join this. Oh, erade. Na mama nchiro bibi. Obi amia nani na makosua no e na aduro na ebi no gu baabi e na mutwa bigum. Enti ma kire o se de hu give us cold capsules na said it here. Give us cold capsules no. Ubon se papa o waso ni sisi e wo box no. Obi waso ni sisi e wo adaka no. Aha. No say ampa we dey give us cold capsules no original no enie. Afa give us power capsules no. Eno so no ubon se ye pomo twede sei e wa daka no aha no and afa give us herbal make sure ne de ubon se tontom eda ho erade e upedudu atu a fa bi call drugstore pharmacy no upedudu atu a fra wo mo e wo 0543 22 24 70 0543 22 24 70 ana 0205 0205 and 020 I'm going to say now 020 50 68 434 020 50 68 434 give us yeah the one say some of us so yasene near to me the Odo Ahomaso ebre wiase afane nyinara yeah the masio the 9th National Widows Alliance Conference 20 day 17 June
2017
2017 about Becca Brow but 17 June the anya grow trade fair pavilion B honorable and Nanahima this is a theme no empowering women for greater achievements. We'll explain the greater achievements. No, yeah, papa. Let me throw perfect hands and healthcare services. My free screening. And to your cranny bemo or bow do banning your free screening. And no teeny becoso ada a unibanka say. Indomie instant noodles, you must say. Ever pure prefer water, you must say. Joy Industries, anyone joy ointment, you know. Anyone medicated soap, oh my goodness. Woman the better chi. Amana aye kama. GTP, mwah. You must yo. You repair jasmine rice. Emu papa bi. You repair jasmine rice. You must say. Minata and daughters for servants. Your breakfast in there. And ya agro. Mobile engineering. Yadama sepa papa ka lipo bet data pharmacy oh in the papa be ediba be che kwan for manom enya grow the royals yadama say the global firm buy yadama sepa papa big shop classics every year your cakes papa be pastries be wedding be for big shop classics one by amount and have a blue skies fruit drink chale wow but she fruit I slice it they kwan for just say 17 the enya grow say they kwan for be your party na nya go you fi ma ohun ato papa Asadu Royal Waste Management ebe cleaning obi bia kama
Asadu minio
Asadu sa Eddie Eonia oh my goodness oye nipa say oh goodness oye nipa papa yo TT Brothers yedama say Danis Deco locally and internationally recognized member ye decoration na easy Uncle Dan, Danis Deco, and almost our bridal dresses near Domoya makeups. Oh, Madame say, Dodo, Ghana International Trade Fair, that's and I won't swear, wouldn't pieball, would only ama boss me a moody. I said, that's so what it. Yankopon ebesha name, just a bit biera, or Buama conference, ya cosono, if we are coming and a wo ye ebeto ye, and for your media partners. Oh, you are wonderful. Now, multimedia group, dear. Yeah, multimedia group limited. Now, Love FM, Ishira FM. Oh, Adom FM, Hit FM, Asampa FM, Joy FM, Adom TV, you can imagine. Joy Prime, Nina Yetatemu, and yet easy cry. I've a web sub solutions, yet must say. CJ Multimedia, yet must say. Go TV, yet must say. Kasapa FM, yet must say. Can you say, widowhood is not a curse? Widowhood is ordained by God. Ekuna ye wo hwei, enye duabo. Ekuna ye nyame ena wahwehwe me da so nya abotre na afei ye de yensem ni nyina ewurewure mu say kama
akuma
yen team no empowering women for greater achievements. Breaking it down to booze.
I say Emma.
Yeah.
Yes, Emma kutupa. And I Emma ahmodimbi. And I mom the sorry who say and it has so mom and Emma and Emma Akase. First, it was impossible to have a chief justice who is a female.
Oh yes.
You know, but Madame has distinguished herself so much that
beautifully.
Nyama wa ye no mema bebre ntimi nye. A new person about to sign your back.
Yeah.
I should tell you that.
That's why me nine boy na jumane why na fefe or the appear we honor you. We thank you for your directions.
I think it's good. When you see when women are empowered, it's good. Empowering women and financial empowerment, psychological empowerment. And maybe to be some physical be our one heavy be
yeah.
And maybe your mindset say ukumbuwa enyewe. On the infinity. Intina as a father because as a father and son.
Father and son.
Maybe a omufuma omukuntu mi di mfia ohwem. Hweno. No ka say nimi wura hwe a wahwe me. So kodofso e dey bi. You be friend feel chrome ka ka chan say hey
wo de ekoto asemu wo gu enum ase
show ni nyama nti say wo aboa na ye den so ma wa no ye den oyire onye oba o oyire onye oba kro onyi ndu bebi ayenhwe no kasa kire. So when we empower women for them to understand that when somebody is married no be worry onye ni panse no nipa ni okunafo na onye okunafo adum bi na adum wo ya adum bi
na sabi ye ni no ma na kwa
asasiru na be kase obema usu ku kata ne wo
e de na woka
ye nyina ye be ko de so busa won se me ko sen na me so mefa akọ e adum bi na wo de adum na ukun yale na osole biem so we need to let the woman have some self-confidence, believe that nyamia kwan ye ya kwan say asem say to it's a painful idea.
Yeah, very, very painful.
Look at this young girl, 28 years, kuna or mami no kuma ranyam. As I'm kase. But tu ma de bi kuma say nyame na fidani kum brichi to say if you wa manen wu no say nyame na o manen wu.
O manen wu.
Obehwe one ne ma. Na ye nso wiase for epesa. Oh ye behwe ne ma no o papa say there. Afenye sie ni wie pe
ejebi wo ejebi ti asede
ngredro
ye ka ye de dada wisia hey ye ko sie ni wie a but Barbara wo de enye sa wate menu aba okuni wu a minimu wo de enye sa efse nyame atiase wo de enye sa wate you see that is why this time our theme and I say me can say even empowering widows for greater achievement, but no, we're looking at every woman. A widow is a woman because I know to what they are here you need to get that education say enene BBC the NCC you know what to do, you know where to go, you know where to stand, you know what to say, what not to say. We a young woman now kunewua I mean, when you adwuma na dan ya, wo se won trust me wo for anel, e me toto to say tennis ball. Ana me boa.
Come on, ana institution, come on. There's something going on in this country. Institutions of states are also not helping. Yeah, there's one brigadier Atipubi. He died when serving the Ghana Armed Forces.
Okay.
And the man can 20 guns salute to pay a bow in Anna. Chief of Defense Staff, those days, Brigadier Kafia. Can also a man, a cancer, I can't read the out. I come and say, Mamma Anton ice water, Anton tomatoes, I can't manage cafe.
What's the day?
Mamma Anton ice water, I'm far more and see the so I can't manage cafe. What I say? After 6 weeks, after 1 you only amount reminder. You have to leave the barracks. And I want, I'm not saying, say, I'm independent, but let's find a way of letting people feel that my husband have served the nation. Let people feel that my daddy was a gallant soldier. What I say?
Yeah.
So we this soldier, yeah, Chinese voice go for America. Go this soldier, I'm saying, and
I yes, she's really young. in case you wear ye no Monica Krana, she want to remarry her. That's on her own wish. That she wants to remarry. Yeah, no to me and worry you.
Go on, get on. I don't know. Go on, get on.
Sometimes
I have page will be your Facebook friends of Mahama. Application temple. Get no sweet.
Oh, she's beautiful. Naturally beautiful. Black beautiful. And she's laughing. I mean, and then you go this sukran. Who say nyanko ponye? And you be saying, "Anyan, I want the bomb. Mami, we don't know the bomb."
We are somewhere. We are because mami come. Maybe Joe Menisibi.
Okay, but yeah, better yeah. Okay, Nana Hima. Like I was saying, empowerment. And the reason why I didn't say we empower just widows. I mean,
but it's women.
Yeah. No, we did not say, sir. We empowering just the widows. We are empowering women.
Yeah.
It's a yes.
Oh, sir, would you family me jina be cry? Sir, go more ogwan, me your hene wo. And I'll call go more a champion traditional council, be your hennes wo. As if it's chief or some pahim, be chief. Yeah. And at a man so for count to boy catcher and I said, yet the year fancy for him, my hene edgy to me, the and also another side of it, say, or bow betting me. Bema nkwa na shemra me di so oba won so betimi aye nti manenko wadwen mu se when you see asase so ya makwan titire na yesi kofra wukunu ba ansa ya rent dan ukobi ogwan account kura se kofra wukunu ba me be tubi me ma me se ma me kofra ne kunu mra ansa mo dana ha
ansa dana ha no na bema edi wachi we he
ukredo me kwa tubi na ansa me ya kakra me se wokache wukunu ansa na wo ko bia bia wo ko ye no but that is part of it ye pese mu hunu se we nipa wa basase so wo akonta bibu wa brabom nti ya makwan so oba bia tumi ye na betumi afly plane na yes ekwan da ho sorry unyonko ba onhye wo nkran hye wo nkran na sorry nti ye empower bia ekwa ware mu a sisi a ifie betina mu enya takwa me ne biem aye konhye stream o se tap wo fie light wo ho enkrofo tv ne niema nyina ICT niema nyina wo meba ne nyina o boss nana na me ku ha me so ayede chop money and then ketchi and then light and you go school fees na me sente wo ye de wo sika no de ye de e de na wo ye sorry na ye bibi na no so mbone fa nti empower man se omo fa ahokeka enso wiase no mo so mo ye bibi na nya kitchen wa de je ne ntos betu nso na ma be ma na di nko ana no ye betimi aye bibi o me nia si se ye pilot ne ye fence sailors na de ina dana marine ships be a by me koye na captain BC for my army ni ntimi de me kohwe me ka say omo gan eyini bi na otuni che na otuni tiri me say what oba na yes
papa bi
young girl manage pa nti ye hyem mankuna so bia say school na wontumi nkɔ ne bebre ya bibia wo ye bia no ye ne mfaso mbra ho na fa bo bra na mantwen na poku say ombra me chop man ombra usika oyi ya na we yi ato
yeah
na ye kofefe nyese bia ye ni omo ye pepe ni omo pre
bia ni omo pressure everybody bet ni omo apre
bia ni omo pre
we still give you your respect
yeah but yensu bi ye pesim ni enyi bi enfamwa nti senkran hye na wo de ato so se yen hye nkrofo nkran yen pa yen fa yen hye omu se ye bibi na won som yen pade but o tu bia o le di sika madam for na ka osina na se menu pesika na samba wo de aka nti sika de o se hu na obesi apene nya de ni basa no kakra enye de wunya ya wokunu ba na de ahya konwa na se
debi
on ba sha me se ko fifo Ego ya jiska de my guest now.
Mo jiska we mo de mo
me be a coffee for do.
Enti mo da so ye.
Ana some na say.
Hey, go on. And yeah, one cause of function. Because you have bo me ni.
Obi say honorable who say your points no do. Obi say what say points no.
Obi
for that we say na o jiska ko nyanko ba. E be na the time. Da be na e tan ye be e bi da.
Eh ma ya na ye.
De mo ye. Who be sika na sha.
O say.
Who be a ordinary sika na sha. O twe no 20 Ghana.
O twe ka se obe
o fa do kutu obe hu. But if you hankwala akromfo o busa ede na mata kwa o tetim se sika bi to na 2 million jajaja bi no pe no dem anto so ka se bi kun ma fa de mi wura mi nka se wa oboa o twa fa o twe 20
obe wi na onye 20 wo so 20 ngwa 20
o twe 20 na o twe bo no atwe 200 Ghana
It's my motive here. No, sick and more ira. And then, so sometimes you couldn't we be a crow for much a chain.
When we are no two different things. Now, yeah,
Mofa. Now, I did about whom we said the pass where we are.
Okay.
Okay. When me 7 hours where we are. And see, I am me a monk crying baby. Sometimes I have a panel and I. Yeah, mammy, been so yes, I did. And then you only call bono or book a crana or befiana, mamma shall see to the bottom. And also, no, I never share the shankwalano. You need a drink, I guess, bad boy, so now, and so your book granite so innocent. Yeah, and see, she said the many in a year. What a form last year conference, and then I mehene, Enya, and Murray. Yeah, shall last year conference, I come back. But then go to my Instagram page, attack one Mazin before comments and making Kayama, Nemo, Quachi. Ana kwanchan wa de efe nana ade ye kan say
kwanchan ade
efe
ye
de sika e na ye entimi said them say mesrew say obetimi nso abeboa conference send me MTN money mobile money why it was 0244 26 1200 0244 26 1200 e wa ma no nso a wo de send me SMS akuma pese me boa conference Shira Bedrosso, me that's it. Maybe conference last year, Kakrani and Samra. That's it. Order for you and Kansas was son, but I see a dear, me penny for I may him back up. I salute. Bye. Me one and only honorable baby, you day. It is well. Yeah, Chama incoming. What of war? Me name dear here, me name the edge war, me didn't like a cotton na. Dear really at this type of war, why will be a woody. This is the platform. Odo Ahomaso. Me baba activate me phone lines no e de amount. Na wo so etimi afre na wa kire wa adwene. Ana nkomo aye boy wo so betimi de wa adwene kiraba. But the edi wunya pa e na mpesa wo ka. De ha wo pa na wa. But na hima nso ha. E bia ene yentan nya ne sei o. Ohene de yentan san ka ne sei. Ente bia na wo pesa obisa question be. E kwan da ho so be funu bisa na na nso etimi eyiwa no. Na ma betimi afre e 0302 211 701 0302 211 702 0302 211 703 and our face 0302 211 704. Mestre so ma o television volume no abaform na focus say nyina yate afensu come Instagram page atakuma mama zimbi Instagram for comments bra because my activate phone line see and you be biara and at the any call no ebetimi aba through, so just go there, bring your comments, and I'm just going to read them for you. I'm ready. We are ready for your calls. Okay, so whilst we wait now, let me read few Instagram messages. Abba. BB said, watching you live from Phoenix. Good job, Mama. God bless you. And God bless you more. God bless you more. A second, I'll be back. But I say. Sweetheart, me that say, so when you're trying to do, now a very short break. Now masamba, Odo Ahomaso nie, Adom TV so, Odo for make us what done at your black mosquito coil say. Na masanda global firm, the Royals global firm. Yes, and Ahomaso, but try as much as possible to go get it. Ebe boa papa. I did give say, hey, Mama Zimbi, and her footwear. Why? I'm watching you live from Zimbigenic Estates. Hey. It was in Migenic Estates, Medasio. And all the ladies there are wearing their drawers. Mwah. I love you, Zimbigenic Estate. Mwah. Hello, sweetie. I'm Odo Ahomaso.
Mommy, good evening.
Hi, Bridget. How are you?
I'm fine, you.
I'm grateful. Medase.
Me patrol. Me pesa me no din komoki tuwe bi.
My name Odo.
Me pacho menya 20 years.
26.
28.
28. Okay, sweetie.
Me pacho ai.
Me
pacho na me date obi. Na onye ready so obeware me. Later on na me nya obi na me ne no wo disturb me. Me ka wonti. Be according to me mama mo no mo pense me worry sa nipa no. Be me so me mpen no.
According to o mama.
Me pacho ane.
O mama said be worry ma. But Bridget, you have the power to block his line. So on say, hey, be I want there am my problem ban say, only first guy a relationship. You don't really quit. And I say you don't ever say
leave total.
Break up properly. What you say? But mo hange horse in it now say another boy ho. And no no but if you break up properly, when you sure say if you go to a second man he will still come, chasing you. But sometimes the sikane kakra any little things say odi me yi ne ho ofe the chest to me you are laughing the mustache in those things so you really need to break up well and then tell your parents that tell your parents the reason why you cannot marry the first guy, all right? But you also need to take time to know the second guy. The me ya pa ne say second guy about life you man trouble olunsu di uko.
Oh no, mommy, why is serious?
Why is me say one so odi uko? Edi opeso odi unti he will pretend to be serious. But you get your shock. So no so we're going to turn back at you. So me pamucho when you taste and you know it, don't be tasting like that. Maybe you are laughing. What's the name here, Bridget? Oh, baby, I can make shower came pa. You got to be serious. At age 28, you should be able to be bold and stand for great decisions. You see, Papa, when you serious about why if your preference by age 28, 29, you should get married. Now, why serious? What is the seriousness? Why parents?
Why is serious? No, what be fear? What be fear? Be home mother. Say on money list. Me mama so on pay.
And your mother name list. Your mother did not give list.
Mommy, me father. My mother ne share me because the mom me father who no. That was 5 years. Me mother ne share me sir.
Okay, wonderful. Oh madam me manayiko me dana say okrani ba papa no. Now ma me say the reason e dey ntia one person will accept the second person, the first person open no.
Me busana or good reason be out.
Na good reason the other man say you good then o ka kire o.
O si a the pan on pe ba ko na sem.
Hey, and the SMS you.
Ne trap no on pe.
First one, you didn't try.
Oh no, yeah, Santini.
And a second one, you didn't try.
I know how I see yours now, so Babaji listen.
Sweetie, hold it. Second person, you didn't. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, Granny, or any papa. Now, most you didn't try.
Ashanti.
Na, and no kind of more done so. Catch a mammy some panicho. I have friend, no, mammy in Casamesreno. I try about
and your mom in a time, your mom in a time I been
in a way.
Mommy time as Fantini, Anna.
That your time been
second one here, Benny. And the mammy so on pay the tribe. Now your tribe in the ma what so. And your tribe in the betches so makes me a worry wo. And your tribe in the betches so makes me a responsible. Sweetie, me pamucho, Miss Ramo, we're dear to all parents. To all tribes. We are all one people. One blood. Now US ni say one side local water region ha wo so mpe o man mo bin fi Iceland emra I would him nechi Germany US Denmark Bobo Holland Paris my bro ni bi mra o ma me bepene es bro ni woni mi yare e wona busuem. Oh no, this is serious, don't be laughing. This is a very serious issue.
Baby
this is a serious issue. Well, Uncle, this time and age. This time and age, Uncle, at least parent. Mama, single parent,Okraniba, Uncle, so angry moe. Open up a show, but no one more energy. Share. Okay, me that say. Later, from now, no, Mamma Casa. Nana Himansua. Yebekasa on net. Thank you so much. Can I have the next caller, please? We'll program this soon here. Odo Ahomaso on Adom TV. It's the time for you to contribute. Call me YouTube. Oh, sorry. Me Facebook. Call me Instagram page. Now, if I will comment on it, making kind amount, then yeah, hene ewa Papa B. Honorable so but honorable. You see, these things. It's serious. Hi, Vera. Yeah, my quite body about Odo Ahomaso.
Modern summer.
Me that's it. Now, Vera, off review.
No, me Africa so.
Pam. Me that's it.
Kaswa.
Oh, Kaswa. Yo. And then me earpiece and your papa. Me say.
Okay.
Okay, Kaswa phobia here.
Mommy, me had the.
All right. Me patrate you.
Mommy, the problem is that I've been married to my husband for the past 5 years.
Good.
But you see, and because of the rules of the church, we couldn't have anything to do like sex until you were answer. And we dated for 6 months until you were. But the problem I'm having now is after we got married, we realized my husband's manhood was very big. Excuse me to say.
It's big.
It has been a problem. I don't know, but when I complained, I say I don't get any solution. But it got to a time now, what we did was we were using gel.
Now it's a dig and so.
No, I don't think it's really helping. It makes it as if say anytime they me come be fear you be and ask me
oh yeah, must show. Yeah, it's true.
I don't know if I have to leave the
how big it is.
No. I don't think so. I don't think so. I think both of you need education, counseling, or the atoso. In fact, sa adie e ha ma bebre pa. Ebi say ni die so na ya asem, esunso na ya asum, medium size nso na ya asem. But when enye na kese na ketua, ene ne tietia and the thing. It's how your husband understand love making and how he needs to go around it and your response. Because nipa timi fi yaseba. But sometimes bema no honorable mona mo bema ne kote so. Say na wo so ne ire empema.
Bema ne kote so de
me kan say ye.
Kitin de this time I want for adwa. Guess na what kitin de wapi de yo.
Mate ye be ma me fa chana ma ye be me say eno so ye be di ho adwuma.
Ni ho adwuma na so to bo ase de.
Hello, Chinaman. Ni hao.
Fine, ni hao.
Yeah, ni hao. Yo, not time to say.
Nyame adumo. Yo. Na 90 na de se me hwe nanim pa. Ase me hwe na me ye ni program no ma no bi biso a me hwe ama no.
Yeah, that's it.
Na kuma na me stand we a afi hu fi me biom.
Oh, people to
patch me. Na me ye design ade de ma wo pa.
Design?
Me ye design na so na ma stand am so that first now pick.
Oh, I see.
Program still na me do grow because then na ba so ba be program no.
Master Sammy phone no me pacho. Before Master Sammy phone into I think I have to
na me no wedding come.
Mate, meji wona na ho. Why?
Pache you the catch na say me hwe ne pa.
Oh, that's it.
Ti my recording na man.
Yeah, that's it. Nyame nhira. Yo, bye. Yeah, that's it. Papa. Recording dey easy o. I'm not obia. Sometimes when you are not in, they do it. Bishop Wapiza. Now, I'll say Chromo to say. Maybe I told my own so why not?
Or say, come dear Boko.
May that say, yeah.
Bibia Boko.
Yeah, the Christmas. Yeah, Papa B.
Now, make your big for.
Oh, my just so.
Naima, my feel to talk. My few time. Me with doctor or because my few time. Na honorable. Bema Bema back in Tingan.
Papa B.
Na on say Kuma.
Yes.
Don't play matter for you watch
out. Me jealous so.
And the meaning say and you may deal it. It's here me ten. Your Baba who can see her, okay, I am not quoting so. And I'm a teacher, and I'm a walk. Uma, meaning some man is serious, but we feel more. Who could talk as animal?
Campa,
so meaning and a foot to be play up a man who made me say, almost dear pa.
I hope so.
The man sees and draws an honorable. Now walk myself, my man, and I'm a tinkomo. A man is Oh, Kumasa ka do musi no be.
Nko mawale nko.
Me de metia wo.
Nko.
Osuba ware na mom nko.
Mawale nko. Me makasa be ma bia wawale guest bia me ne nye fine. Nko.
Cheri se waware.
Mawale me ka wa so se eyi no. Yesu amen hu from no.
Me ma kwa ba de Odo Ahomaso. Hello. Alright. Hello. Hello, Auntie Becky.
Yes, Mama Kuma.
Me da say yo.
Wa no mani age.
Nyame adom ye ho ya Auntie Becky da. O fra fi he.
Me prefi tema.
Tema. Papa bi e da ma say. Yo. Ene mo tema he me na ba.
Yeah, we will be chiado.
Yo.
Mama Kuma onim. Ma worry. Me kuno suban penasem o good.
Okay.
Then suban be odu ni pemwa bibia so nya botra. Me wo be ma e bia oye bibia odu ni pemwa na obe kasa na obi o se bia problem.
Enye.
Mimpe ina say onu ye bibi mo hu na dan fofo a no o pretend to say unu aye bibi na mo din say we ni babone. Ma complain aka kire na me Penny na say ne council still.
On say. Then and uku no way.
Oni o we tu kwan oni ase.
Oni ha we tu kwan. I me ya say no ni ho. Anka wo fa ye ne na nso akasa ne ahwe. E bia wo na push ni ma ne yesa. But I hope say the how we there unya wrong bia you per solution. Honorable ha ye be yi sansem ni nyina no. Why? Enti ye be holding on call no right now na ye yi insem na no. Honorable, unu wo ho me da se papa sweetheart. Na unu kunu mu pie na opeso yo nkanka asa wo ye na kro. I mean and say
e ko ma ka se o me kape o se ka se me bi. Me o bebre ni mie bi nkrasefo. E ko you had all the right to choose among 7 million women and also we no choose. And how do you ko be bia ofere? Na no why na e
na ka tia no. Tina ha men ko ha.
Me yiri ka so nko anu me ni abiri o do onye bi no san ko tia no. Sa it's not fair.
It's not fair.
What I say? Sometimes, it's good. Okay. Yeah, programs she doesn't need to go.
Of course.
Certain programs, that official programs, I say, oh, it was an ABA, most of you don't form me. I had to was said, me, Sakola, me dear, my feeling here. No, I can say, woman, Managobi. What I say? And the way our young you have the right to talk about it.
Yeah.
It's your duty to work on it. What said the say? You look at it and let it be up to standard. What I say?
Yeah.
A man who kuna or co-programs let him feel good he has come with you.
What time say atade we dey me bomb pipe say program be ba ne akọ. Do who say why prepared. Eh shoe we dey.
Ko ma me so be na kan. Oso ni atale o say am frame ntem.
Me da say.
Otona oso weekend bia otona atale white baako black baako say o pe be di akọ. Anya yi be party. Ndu for Saturday anopa. Obi o say oh anka ntem oso boa. Uni atale a. O say am frame ntem
me da say. E na ye nua ba no so friend o say ni kun be ma so no. Oh eh good. A plus.
A state of mind.
Okay.
What I say? Obasi. You have some abnormal fulani for the na having.
Modiwa.
Unya ho de ni bia ho ne ho. As a member. As a member pop size 43 44.
Oh yeah, no dey am pay.
And you affordable. What I say? And no, what I say? When you put yourself into the game, you get so wet. If there's more foreplay, maybe a Bema no so yeni.
And no team person can say Bema say.
There's more foreplay.
That is it. That's what I want you to say.
As I could say, you be body waste. You are a prama, and so spray.
That's right.
What I say? Maybe if you want to create 5 minutes, I pay no be finger up with you. Yes, Obama should be hurt.
Yes.
Apart from no, there are so many lubricants. Probably. What I say? Yo baby, yo more flavors.
Come global from Abeka ho. Ne de ne be come.
Baby, outside ko kan wa no so e mo chick akra. And say ga ikedi o hobeti. Oh, so you need to be able to.
What do you call my sister? What difference?
Oh, Akuma.
Yes. Nana hima.
Adasi game.
No baka assembly ni.
More foreplay.
They na Okasafa tribe ho na.
Tribe, yes. Nana.
Na adidie no niam no na ma tribe no yempanimfo ni bi. A hadrin. If you say asante no say e wa kan memory no na kamini no ne baba ne ma no eni na busua
ampa
Into what you know, Mr. Bushia betre. Na oko water region, eno ye di ejade. Into the nkwala ne beko. Inte ya na no na na maame fo no hwe a. Omo ma no nko other tribes no. Ne yebu bebe yesi krompete di unama ebika.
This starting for me, my bubom.
Nenye Ghana ha ya na wo.
Nti sa adwen no say free obia tirim. So the nkwala no beko anwura. Ena akanfo unya ma ayima. But akra no di ade wo ha ne ha nyina. Nti na meka sa akire ye Ghana mpanimfo nyina say tribal marriage na ye discriminating ye
and say we dey mami take opportunity say odi ade wo two place akola na ebe sa na bi odi na odi ade wo na odi na so we jare me ye na nti ebe sa akola na ifa obeko
so onya mfie du nwotwe ekono no we make decision
ono ankasa we make decision
say me ko me si ebusuam but basically I na ma eja no priority nti se ne maame eye akan ne papa ye voter region na say omo di ejade no a na ibefa na kodi ade ewo ne maame echi a yekobo ne papa mama ne eye amamre ete no ene ne besen kodi ade ho but automatically then there
nko two places omo nko pe omo wo mo odo oyode hye wa ha oyode hye wo maame side papa side no omo nko kro no family mu omo
omo ne nemu keke omo ne ebusuya bia say na emu an owu an na so fa ya so ye sie ne baby ne yeko nti ye tell ye men musa and I'm say
before you move to the next one obu onso a oni onyo de hye wo ne maame side and I say ne papa side
because of this year it doesn't mean so be akwa but I want to say they belonging to a tribe. Okay in your tribe is what you
father paternal yeah
nti wudi ejade me pese me kobrofo num kakraka e bia na akoyidu wudi ejade nti say obi free wuwu eba o so ko ufa wukrom ni a wonim se oba no ye wukrom abusuani nti ondom wabusua odom ye kan abusua ye be kan no papa abusuam nti oba wo ho no onye busuani wo ho odo so ye wo ba mbache wate ase wo ho basa akani ebe warewa akora no ko papa abusuam a oni ade wo ye kan no e na wo so wo ho no so ye kan so no gina finfi
number the other way around baby so we
and the other way around sana ye
e just ankola no be kwen
oni baby a wasinse mama me kwen nti uko baby aji utum da emum akonwa bi wo ho a wontena so
akonya bi wontena so
wontena so
I see
fantifo se babani wo se konwa na wontena so nti saa amamre no na ya na eda so wo ho nti e ma tribal marriage no e ha adwen no ne mo akwara nya mfie do nwotwe a baby onto nko baby a no make decision ni agina to ebusua ba ko na wa belong but say base ye adishi konwa pa ye tena so a wo be ma ba de se wo ye be ma ba
I see.
I
see. Van, sir, God richly bless Queen Mother. You're so beautiful. We'll be acknowledge you. Me YouTube, me Instagram. Yeah. Yeah, honorable, please. Yes.
I can't for. Say be my ba asem kan.
But kasa.
Say be my ba na asem kan.
Yeah.
It's a serious matter.
Very serious.
A serious matter.
Aye.
We say a serious matter. One you careful. Na ukonya nua ba bia ne kun sansem mom kakra na ono ko wo ne ba na wo ko wo ba o ma ne ti say nwan ba serious matter
very serious
from baby for from baby for
enu nti mo twim pa na be ya wade a all these things you need to look for it but honorable kasa
come serious you see but I sometimes disagree with some of these things come on we na na e problems eba wo say metim papa fie ne bia me papa fie me dia de mo se konwa to na oba ba ne dia de o do eri to for mo se mama no se bi o mo ye useless
o mo nya he
mo se me maka to mo se me fifie obi
yes
mo se bi ono de sika akoto ana se try to bulldoze his way because maybe he has some political power o cha se o se o hwe mu a yes nkan du no so de ma o ma de na du o so no so a me ma no so not at all
enti nya yi
e mo no ma o ade no enti ye tufu ni yesa tufu se before ekunya beton ye wakola nto opese hu se enu nko ade asante for a plus ye wo ne ma kiu se wo se range ni ma unya du 80-90% start protective ni bibia ne be mo ye ne tutu anamo yi se le be ya ekunya ne beton no na ye clear se
na wonim ne amamu
na ye clear se we die asante amamre ye nsi ekunya me hu ma asem da
Debida
Ochima yi o ma hia hu masem Be 3-4 people ya pencil on da. Me no be my try you say we nya we benya. Me and you can just see it clearly say we nya we benya. Suku a ya mana ko be fine. If you entity a obi. Odi ko di pema eyeye. Natale she ko ye. Oh one there.
Ye tutu na mo dey see kama.
And let's not let traditions ye jai amamra ma ye man ya agensam. Also we this year pa na and the trust at tune ha opipi we yi the secret. No what tattoo ni ha. I want hear what tattoo.
Tattoo ha. Any try. Yo, na him. Ye but one of this you better want say because I no client to me. Say wa hindi ana say odishi ye no eteso.
Enti na ma aware na san le maame no e ka no e ye no na ka wo so chirechire mu che eba no. Ye. Se me pa cho wo ko wo a wo ma no entumi mfa no ma efie. Obema no e ye nkola no. Mba chemiti.
Fana se me. Ese ka me di ma me fie me di papa fie me ni. Me ni wo aware. Me mani di ade anyi. O kola kama. And you do what shows to come and doctors. What makes you out the idea the person maybe the idea? Tell me, what makes you better? A mamma able to a mamma identify. Apart from so ya shreni and so ya chiden and said, a mamma able to a bushy mono, and a catcher and say, who ye bear my ba and Tanakumiano. So, apart from I did you for so be a man. Who of us so? Because who could take fear hooding? Until a time for that. Nana osimesi because if you waku nwana a wo ho no ana if you penny for din ekuta wo no nti emo di tra amamre wo fi obia utimi ye bibia ye tabu obi ntumi ye no wo a wo ye be ma ba na wo ye utimi ye but se ba se ye ntane ye gye audition so a ye gye wo so
nana wo ni baby nyame ya dom ni we conference na wo ho with this amamre awade ye kwa ye ntutu ye ni ehu ni ye no I think we'll come and do the education on Odo Ahomaso say so emra so and I should black mosquito coil ye dem say so ya say give us your COVID test capsules malaria nana that question na wo na mbisa wo mbisa na wo na mbisa wo mbisa wo na mbisa wo no waka ni nyina awie the royals global firm ye dem nyina anyone so a wuti ya 112 wo fa telephone free wo come Instagram page any messages by ye dem was nana ye da say me da say me wonderful cameraman we are so grateful to you set designer your light man your sound man MCR and you at home producer, director, everyone, we say thank you. Edamase, Esadamasi, Bio, Boy, Biko, Kocho, Ya, Lo, Oh.